We are Exel, a UK-based software author of ERP and field service management systems for the manufacturing and service industries. For over 30 years, we have been developing and implementing software systems to small, medium and large-sized companies in the UK and around the world. Our two products are EFACS, an ERP system for the manufacturing industry, and Exel Field Service, a back-office and mobile solution for service companies. In the manufacturing sector, we have customers in many industries, such as aerospace, automotive, electronics, engineering, casting, plus many others. For companies with a field service requirement, we cater for business-to-business or business-to-consumer operations, as well as planned and reactive maintenance. During the last 30 years, we have gained a wealth of experience which we use today to ensure we implement the most efficient and productive software solutions for our growing number of customers. We develop all of our own software in-house, and by offering continuous product development and powerful customization tools, our software can grow and adapt as your business requirements change. Want to find out more about what we can do for your business? Then visit us at exel.uk.